I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You're starting on the home screen. Long press an empty area or open settings and navigate to home screen options. This gets you to the control that changes mode directly, so you don't waste time. Once you see home screen mode or layout, tap it to reveal available modes. Make sure your device is not in single app mode, otherwise the options will be hidden. You're now at the decision point where you'll choose how your apps and shortcuts are organized and displayed. Now pick the mode that fits your workflow. Standard shows all apps on pages, Drawer keeps apps in an app tray, and Simple enlarges icons. Once selected, use the preview to adjust grid size, icon size, and folder behavior so the layout is usable at a glance. Make changes deliberately. Smaller grids show more icons but reduce touch targets. After adjusting, tap Apply or Save so the launcher commits the new configuration. After you tap Apply, go back to the home screen and verify icon placement, widgets, and folders behave as expected. Rearrange any shortcuts and restore widgets if the layout moved during the switch. If the mode doesn't apply or icons disappear, make sure your system launcher is up to date. If problems persist, clear the launcher app cache or data in Settings Right Arrow Apps, or restart the phone to force the launcher to reload. This resolves most stubborn settings issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.